HVAC people!
All right, we got a no cooling call. Then we're gonna have a bad capacitor. I came around here, fan blowing, but I don't think the compressor is running. Feel like this cool air blowing. I don't know if you heard that, but you can hear the compressor trying to start. Contactor engaged. See it trying to start. See what we got here. Check incoming voltage. 0. Alright, so this yellow and this blue is the capacitor. I'm sorry, the compressor. So we're gonna check that first. So I'm gonna go to MFD. Check that. So I got 1. See, MFD, I got 1. Of course, I don't go in this from common to the contactor one. We're gonna check the fan also. The fan was working, so this may be good. I'm gonna bring your brown wire, so I'm gonna go to the 4 one to the single. See, I got 3.5. So that one probably low, but it is good enough to work the fan. So this is a 50 by 5 on this capacitor, and like I said, I'm in no hurry, and it looked like this capacitor been replaced. So I think this is a carrier. I have the carrier app. So I'm gonna look up this model number and make sure this is the original capacitor. Somebody could have changed it out and put the wrong one up here. But unfortunately, I really don't see. I can find it from the compressor also, because I have the Copeland scroll compressor app. I can get the model serial number off that. I don't see the model serial number on this unit. And I care usually have a little long sticker right here. Looks like it done came off. Hard to see. All right, but it do look like I can see the serial number. Hope if I don't rub it off. All right. So if I look hard enough, I can see it. So I'm gonna get the model serial number and make sure 50 by 5 is correct. All right. All right. No, y'all probably can't see that on the camera, but this is the serial number. This is the carrier app. So let's look up documents. Actually, I'm gonna go to part list. If I can go back. Let's go to parts list. Compressor. It's not gonna be under that. Let's go to electrical. Okay, go dual capacitor here. See, there you go right there. Should have been a 45 by 5 on here. So I'm glad I checked. It's a 45 by 5 go with this unit. And that's probably all they have. I mean, it's close, kind of close enough, but we're gonna go back with a 45 by 5. Put the correct one on there. So it's good not being heard sometimes. You can get them the correct one. So I'm gonna go to the truck and get a 45 by 5. Let's say it look like we just like the last person come out here, got plenty 50 by 5. Get ready to restock for the spring and the summer. Here go 45 by 5, so we'll put that on there. It's time for me to re-up on capacitors and blower fan motor, condenser fan motor. So we'll go back here. It's still calling for cool, so I gotta be careful not to hit that contact coil. So we're starting to warm back up a little bit, so I gotta get back in the cooling mode. All right, so I'm gonna put the brown on this too, which is my fan. I always call C for contactor, but common or whatever you want to call it. Try to loosen that up a little bit. We got 48. That's good. All right, look like we're good to go. All right, so this is about a 62-degree day, if that, about 60 degrees right now, but I still feel warmer air. And now my suction line getting cold. Check the pressures also, maybe a little low. I got about 65. I was thinking it's 410A, it might be 22. I know Kara usually say Puron. Top of the unit. I got 63 over 120. I'm thinking it's R22. I'm gonna check the app. Let's see what the app say. It's a 13 SEER. I was looking for the product literature instead of the part numbers. Document. Owner's manual. Yeah, it is R22. So in the model number, well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an R right there, so that'd be R22. It's a 2-ton R22 system. All right, so the pressures are okay though. I'll just leave it like it is. About 35 degrees saturation temperature. So I can just call it good. We'll just replace the capacitor. They have problems in the summertime. We can give us a call. But just change this capacitor. But carrier, I think they'll use it. Does say per run on the top. So we'll just call that good. Change the capacitor. They should be good to go. Like I say, because it's probably about 59, 60 degrees out here today. Let's see. See if I can look up Katie temperature. Feel good out here, I know that. Yeah, it look like it's 58. Yeah, we're looking really about 57 degrees right now. So we'll call it good to go. I'm gonna see if he wanted to do a maintenance on it, but core look pretty good. So it look like the unit been serviced. But I'll try to build a relationship with him and see if he want to have a maintenance once or twice a year. But other than that, everything look good. All right.